Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am Bonani and you are watching me on the Trend Enthusiast. I have created this soft glam easy Diwali makeup look with a traditional touch. So if you want to see how I have created this look, then please keep on watching this video till the end. And for more of such videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And also I would request you to please keep on watching this video till the end for more information. Just in my regular way, first using face mist and waiting for it to dry, and I'll wait and have fun till it dries. In between, I will also use lip balm to moisturize my lips, and then using this Pond's moisturizer all over my face and placing it in my face, again letting it sit in my face for a few moments, and then I'll move on to my primer. Today I'm using a little glowy primer from Wet n Wild, and I'll blend it in to my face, and you can already see it has made my face glowy. Then I'm using PAC Cosmetics foundation because it's not matte, it gives a natural finish, and using damp beauty blender to blend it in without forgetting my ears and neck. After that, using a concealer similar to my skin tone to color correct my face, and again blending it with the same damp beauty blender. Then I am going to use this concealer a lot lighter than my skin tone to just brighten up my face. Now for my eyebrow, first using spoolie to evenly distribute out and comb out, then using brow pomade, first outlining the shape of the backward portion, then filling it in, and gradually with very little product I am going front and forward, and more I am going forward, more I am using vertical strokes, and in between again I have used the spoolie to evenly distribute out the product. Now using a flat brush I am cleaning around my eyebrow to give a crisp and clear look. Again blending it with the same damp beauty blender. Then I'll set my eyebrow with this clear mascara gel or even brow gel. After that, I am setting my entire face, especially the areas where I have used concealer, using the translucent powder, and whatever is left in the sponge, I'll use it for my entire face. Using this color board palette today, I will soon review it using this pink shade in a fluffy blending brush to create the shape around my crease. I will gradually keep on building the color until I am satisfied, then using the skin color using the same brush to blend out the edges. After that, taking a flat yet fluffy brush and using the darkish pink metallic shade for my middle portion of the eye, and then again blending it out with that fluffy blending brush. Then I am going to use another flat brush for a lighter pink metallic shade for my inner eye, and using the same pink shade in the same flat fluffy brush for my lower lash line. I will then keep on blending it. After that, taking again that light pink metallic shade for my lower inner corner, using this liquid glitter then for my upper eyelid half portion to make it a little more glowy maybe. Then using the brown kajal for both my upper lash line and for my lower lash line, and then my regular contouring on the cheekbones, my forehead to make it look a little narrower, my jawline to hide my double chin, and then using a flat angled brush to contour my nose, and again blending it in with the bigger brush. Then using blush, using a fluffy blush brush. I love this color, very neutral yet very glamorous and glowy. Now it's turn for the highlighter, using a fluffy brush and applying everywhere wherever I want glow. I love to glow with the highlighter. I will be using it everywhere, leaving out my nose, because for my nose I'll be using this pencil brush to get a precise nose highlighting that will make my nose look way more sharp. Then curling my lashes, and after that I will apply my mascara on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes with a lot of patience and precision, making funny faces as always. And after that I am using this lip liner, pink lip liner, as my lipstick as well, but before that I'll use this first as my lip liner, and then I'll be filling my entire lip with this one. To give a little dimension to my lips, I am using a lighter nude shade for my inner lip, then setting my face with the face mist, letting it get into my face using the Damn Beauty blender, and my look is done. I'll just be back with my accessories on, my lashes on, and this is the look. But yes, I will be highlighting my inner eye corner and my brow bone before I complete the look, because it is very important to make my look pop up. With this, I am done with my look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to press that notification bell bar on so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And take care and bye bye.